हाँ जी बेटे, व्हाट इज नेशनल डेवलपमेंट? National development. If, as we have seen above, individuals seek different goals, then their notion of national development is also likely to be different. Means different people have different developmental goals, same as with the national development. Different people have different ideas about national development, different views about national development. लोगों की राष्ट्रीय विकास को लेकर जो राय है वो अलग अलग होती है, जैसे उनके डेवलपमेंट गोल्स अलग अलग होते हैं. डिस्कस अमंग योर सेल्फ ऑन व्हाट इंडिया शुड डू फॉर डेवलपमेंट. इंडिया को क्या करना चाहिए, यू शुड डिस्कस. मोस्ट लाइकली you would find that different students in the class have given different answers. Definitely different students will give different answers to the same question. In fact, you might yourself think of many different answers and not be too sure of any of these. It is very important to keep in mind that different persons could have different as well as conflicting notions of a country's development. Let me explain. Suppose I am saying for national development, we should take money from rich people and it must be distributed in poor people. My statement or my opinion will hurt rich people. They will say, what it is? It is nonsense done by Murthy. Because we people are earning our money with hard work. How can it be possible to give it to others? Those who are sitting free. On the other hand, maybe you will give me answer for national development. Ma'am, government must have open industries and those people who are jobless, they should be provided job. Maybe it will be your answer. Suppose it. So I agree with your answer because the person who wants to do work, he will earn money, and the person who don't want to work hard, he will not get anything in a donation and free. उसको फ्री में नहीं मिलेगा. ऐसे ही होना चाहिए. Mean I want to tell you that different persons have different notions regarding national development, and these notions may be conflicting notions or maybe not conflicting. However, can all the ideas be considered equally important? Again, this is a question. We can consider them equally important, or if there are conflicts, how does one decide? What would be a fair and just path for all? We also have to think whether there is a better way of doing things. Would the idea benefit fit a large number of people or only a small group? National development means thinking about these questions. Means we have to consider all these questions. How equality can be generated, how security can be provided, how freedom is given to them, how regular jobs can be provided to the people. These all notions are must be discussed in detail. That will be national development. So let me explain what is national development की definition क्या है, national development का meaning क्या है, what we will consider national development so that people can bring peace in their notions, live together, avoid conflicting ideas. It's very necessary. So I am telling you what is national development. Means as you know, development means lack of poverty, lack of diseases, lack of illiteracy. When people have higher income, when people have large number of jobs, when people have more education facilities, when people have more number of working days, that is termed as national development. Development. Now, what is national development? That is the question which we are reading. What is the meaning of national development? National development means bete, the ideology of different persons regarding country's development. What it means, that is told in your book, that is described in your book. It means the ideology of different persons regarding country's development. These ideologies could be at times conflicting. We have already read. It may be conflicting. It is measured by average income and per capita income. The following aspects or points that are covered under national development, if there are conflicts, how does one decide? Means these are mentioned here in this paragraph. We also have to think whether there is a better way of doing things. Would the idea benefit a large number of people or only a small group? So, this is the worksheet you have to do in your fair notebook, as well as we will also read a news report on next page, page number 7. Yes, Vite. What it is mentioned, see, discuss the following situation. Look at the picture on the right. This is a picture on the right side. What should be the development goal for such an area? These are the developed people, already developed, because they are living in a multinational story building, big building that is made of cement. And they have comfortable houses. They have house built of burnt bricks. And on the other hand, we have those people who are living in slum area. Mean they are poor people and they are rich people. You have seen in picture that is lying on page number 7 on the right corner. And read this newspaper. Second question is read this newspaper report and answer the question that below. You have seen a vessel dumped 500 tons of liquid toxic wastes into open air dumps in a city and in the surrounding sea, where he dumps the toxic wastes in the city, in a city and in the surrounding sea. And what happened? This happened in a city called Abidjanjo in Ivory Coast, a country in Africa. Where this happened? This happened in a city. City name is Abidjanjo in Ivory Coast in Africa. Country name is Africa. Then what happened? We have seen the fumes from the highly toxic waste. Toxic waste is caused nausea. People suffered from nausea, skin rashes, fainting, diarrhea. After a month, 7% were dead. What happened? After a month, 7% dead. 20 in hospital and 26,000 treated for symptoms of poisoning. Mean this toxic waste has caused poisoning, and with this poisoning, we have seen 7% died, 20 are treated in hospital, and 26,000 are treated for symptoms of poisoning. A multinational company dealing in petroleum and metals had contracted a local company of the Ivory Coast to depose the toxic waste from its ship. When a multinational company has a contract, they signed a contract with the local company for deposing the toxic waste from their ship. They wanted to dumping the toxic waste, and they have then given this contract to local company, and local company, you know what she did, she dumped this toxic waste into the surrounding area of the city, and what happened, people started to die. People suffered from poisoning. So question is that who are the people who benefited and who did not? I know the answer. Did you know? I think it is clear. Multinational company get benefited and local company also get benefited. But the inhabitant of the city got suffered. What should be the developmental goal for this country? Means proper arrangement for dumping the toxic wastes, giving them education, giving them health facilities, giving them equal treatment. These things are required for the development of this country. Education and health facilities are the base for any country's development. It must be free for everyone. Maybe he is rich, maybe he is poor. So I think this is clear, and you have to all these questions in your notebook.